All right, guys, I wanted to pop on here really quick to let you know about some more bearish astrology for Bitcoin coming up. This is very significant because this has never happened before like this astrologically. Now we have on the outer green circle, we have the planet transits. There's Mercury, and then on the inner circle we have the Bitcoin birth chart. Now I only have a few planets that are significant that I have up on the screen. Typically there's a lot more planets, but to simplify it, here we go. I wanted to zoom in on this Mercury, where Mercury is right now in this galaxy, is conjunct Saturn, or will be conjunct on August 23rd in the United States time, and I believe August 23rd in European time. In Southeast Asia, it's going to be August 24th. This is coming up very soon. This is very significant because look at this. Mercury is conjuncting, meaning it's going directly over the Bitcoin Saturn. This is super significant because Mercury represents markets and trading, and Saturn represents restriction, limitation, hard lessons in reality. All right, so when markets come into restriction, we can see some bearish action for sure. We can definitely see a slowdown. We can definitely see downward pressure. We could definitely see a dump. Yeah, markets could slow down for a while, and then we could see a dump a little bit after as well. So this is more bearish activity here. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but yeah. So with that being said, those who are expert traders, shorting could be an opportunity. I'm not recommending that, but that is a possible scenario. And what else can I say? Also, we have the Bitcoin Uranus is almost exactly opposite Mercury at this time, Mercury and the Bitcoin Saturn. So Uranus represents unpredictability, volatility, and change. So we could see a change in the markets here. Yeah, very interesting. We could be heading down more. So if we look at the charts here, we've already headed down. I mean, this candle is pretty massive. Could measure how far this candle went down. 13% drop there. And I mean, honestly, I was looking at this historically. Let me zoom out a little bit. This is kind of similar because we've gone up and then rolled over. We've gone up and rolled over, up and rolled over. And then a third time and then a drop. It's kind of similar to this where we went up and rolled over, went down, and then up and rolled over, up and rolled over. And then what did we see? Then we saw, I believe this is, I'm not an expert in TA, but this looks to me like an A, B, C correction. So could we see something like that here where we're at now? Especially with this bearish astrology coming up right here. Could we be heading into, let's see, like an A, I don't know, something like this. Could we head down here? Jeez. I don't know, something around here. I'm not an expert in TA, so don't take a screenshot of this or anything. But could we be doing that, or could we be, I don't know how short the B has to be, but something like that. All right, so we could be seeing more bearish activity. So just wanted to give y'all a heads up about that. This has gone down a lot further already than I thought. So perhaps we've already made most of the downward action. But it's very interesting that we have this on the 23rd, a couple days here coming up, this Mercury retrograde conjuncting Saturn. First time it's ever happened for Bitcoin, for the whole entire lifespan of Bitcoin. Especially because it's directly conjunct. All right, so I mean, let's look where we're at right now. So Mercury's right there today in this moment, and in the next couple of days it just comes right over there, and then it's going to retrograde. See how it turns red? Then Mercury's retrograding. That's why it's so significant, is that it's actually retrograding right when it retrogrades. It's literally conjunct the Bitcoin Saturn, the restriction, the limitation, and then it's just going to come backwards here, retrograding in Virgo, and Mercury is in its home sign of Virgo, so it is powerful energy here. And then eventually, towards the end of September, then it's going to go direct again, and it's going to come back over Saturn again a second time. So the overall astrology for September is looking quite bearish as well. So just wanted to update you guys on this. This is significant, and definitely like and share this video if you want to see more videos like this. Be coming out with more Bitcoin astrology videos. Share it with someone who is interested in crypto and astrology, as they may value from this video. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon.